In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this beautiful boho braided wig. Yes, I said wig. She is a boho braided wig. Absolutely stunning. Give me a 2-for-1 in this video. So 2-for-1 holiday style. So this boho braided wig, and then also a cute ponytail style. Both of these styles are from the brand Frodio. I'll put the name up above, and I'll also put the link to these in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. With no further ado, let's get into this tutorial. When I tell you I am obsessed with this boho braided wig, absolutely stunning. Now I did a little bit with the baby hairs. You can just leave them natural looking, but I absolutely love this. The curls are beautiful, the braids are beautiful, the lace is lacing. Like, what more can you ask for? Long are the days that we sit for 8 to 10 or sometimes 12 hours to get these boho braids, when you could throw on a wig in less than 5 minutes and slay like this. Ooh, this is so bomb. Like, Frodio, you definitely did your big one with this unit. I cannot wait to see what the ponytail is going to look like, so keep on watching. Let me show you a couple of really cute and simple styles that you can do with this boho braided wig. Keep on watching. So this is the ponytail. This is the Frodio Pony Pop wraparound ponytail. So this is the straight one, and they do have other textures. I can't remember the length of this one, so I'll put it up on the screen. But this is what the little ponytail is given. I'll show you how quick and easy it was to install this. I did do a little bubble braid with this, so I'll show you that as well. Just a quick, cute, simple holiday hairstyle that you can do. I did do the 2 parts on the side. I split my hair into 4 sections. So I did a ponytail in the back, and then I split these 2 side sections. Then I slicked these into the ponytail in the back, and then I slicked the front section into the back to create one ponytail. But I absolutely love how this turned out. Cute, simple, sleek, holiday look. 3-minute install. Just put this onto my ponytail, wrap it around with the piece that comes with it, use a little got-to-be to hold it in place, added 2 bobby pins. We're ready to go. Again, this is from Frodio Hair. I will link the ponytail, as well as the boho wig in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of these 2 styles. Are you feeling this boho braided wig? What do we think about that ponytail? Absolutely love them both. I will put the link in the description box where you can check these out for yourself. Super cute holiday styles. You know what style you're rocking for the holiday? Put it in the comment section below. If you're going to pick up one of these 2, let me know that also. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.